Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video I'll show you how to get MAC address Windows 11 quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right click on the Start menu icon at the bottom left. This opens the quick menu with important system options. Step 2. Click on Settings. This is where you control your system and network options. Step 3. Click on Network and Internet from the left sidebar. Here you can manage and view your connection details. Step 4. Click on Ethernet if you use a wired connection or Wi-Fi if you are connected wirelessly. Make sure you select the active network. Step 5. Click on Hardware Properties. This shows detailed information about your network adapter. Step 6. Find your MAC address next to physical address, MAC. This is your device's unique network identifier. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.